What's going on, everybody? It is Wednesday. Sitting here looking at the markets. Looks like the SPY is responding positively to the midterm elections. I think I was reading the Democrats are taking the House and the Republicans look like to be taking the Senate. Don't know what that means. Don't know why it's green instead of red. Don't know what would have happened if it was the other way around. But either way, the SPY is kind of gapping up right in the middle of two significant supports and resistances here. So 280, 281 is where I'm looking to short, and 276, 275 is where I'm looking to long. So us sitting right here in the middle of everything. I don't know how far back. Yeah, Lightspeed doesn't go back too far. So I don't really know what I'm going to be looking for here at the open. I'm not looking for anything around these whole numbers here, though it looks like 278 here was pretty strong. I might be able to trade around that. If we can get above that and start holding, definitely could go up to 280 and retest that. Plenty of plans, plenty of options to look at. Just have to keep an eye out for the SPY and what it's doing. I have a lot of gap stocks today, actually. TLRY being one of them, just now breaking out over pre-market highs here. And I'm going to look at it for a trade. Gigantic spread as always, no surprise there. CGC also was looking good, but it is selling off super hard here. Unless we can get a bounce, might not have anything there. Probably go 250 on this one. Could easily lose $1 on it. See what happens if we can come back here. And CGC dropped a point. That certainly won't help. CGC is still dropping. There might not be anything there. And nothing here on Twilio either. Here was at 19. I don't know, got below it. Cores look decent here, but I really just am not a fan of taking scalps off of circuit breakers. There's something here at 63. Well, that actually kind of changes things because I can take it short into 63 and it might have enough momentum to break underneath this. I'm gonna go now. I'm just gonna watch. Another hidden buyer. Oh, he is taking a lot of shares. That is big. There it goes. Solid move. Etsy might be pretty good here for a opening range play. I don't have anything charted with as high as it is though. Yeah, 48 might be an issue. Looks like it's dropping anyway. I'm gonna see if I can get lucky here. TLRY, I'm gonna go for the short on this because that just looks really good. I remember last time I tried to short TLRY, it just wouldn't do it for me, so I don't really know what to expect here either. I'm gonna go I'm gonna go 100 on it. SPY is climbing up, CGC is popping up. And nothing else looks really good here. Looking at a little bit of the bigger name stocks still. Nope, I can't put a stop limit in. I don't know. I just can't trade TLRY. Alright, well there is nothing this morning, so I'll turn it back if I see some. Okay, I'm looking at Etsy here. I'm thinking of coming up with a play. I can have a stop on it. This candle here, 47. 83. So 82. If it doesn't want to go without me here. Obviously strong open. Attempted to move lower. Bought back up super hard. Made a new high today. Kind of consolidated. Getting stuck underneath 49. Came back, retested 48. Bought back up. Got the 90 EMA coming back up on it. Kind of curling back around. I don't want to buy the breakout. I'd like to see it come back to 48 again, and I can get in with a decent number of shares here for about 350. Well, it's kind of got to do with this candle because if the 9 EMA starts getting on top of price, then it's not looking so good. Plus the SPY at the same time looks like it's not going to be able to hold 278. So I might not have a trade here. Netflix looks pretty good too here. Just broke underneath that. So now I have a new stop. So as long as it doesn't keep moving. Risk about 40 cents. 250. I don't know, SPY is dropping too. Don't like it. SPY's dropping pretty hard away from VWAP here. Definitely making some making a difference right now. Tesla, no, volume's gone. Well, Etsy went to that 48. It seems to be holding. I think I might have missed it. SPY is popping back up here. We'll see what happens again though, because I keep failing. See if we can retest again and hold it. Might be able to get a much better entry on this. Because now that we got the 20 coming up, it looks a lot better for a move higher. Big numbers being thrown around in here. I'm gonna have to take my eyes off it because Tulio here is coming back down again. It seems to be holding this move. Coming back down for a retest. Oh, jeez, man. I just can't be fast enough. Missed that. Alright, Z just had a pretty big pop here, coming right back to this level that it was previously at. I'm thinking that I can get something in here at the time of the market order. Just pop back up right now, but I want to see if it can hold it or not. So far it's super slow. I'm gonna go for this here. Stop loss is gonna be at 40. Get this in just in case. And we closed above the moving average. The SPY's dropping really hard right now. SPY just made a new low a day. And if we start following, which it looks like we might here, can't quite break away yet. Yeah, I need to have a pretty big limit on this one, just in case I get squeezed. But if we keep failing here, I might want to get even bigger in this one. Because it's kind of what's looking like it's happening here. I'm going to do it. If we can get back underneath the whole number, that'll be big. Needs to keep moving. I need to see it at least under 30.75 before I start taking anything. But stop loss for sure, and might as well stay the same. Being patient, just gotta give it a chance here. Because if we can definitely get under this right now with the moving averages, that'll be huge. to see it break. I need to have this in just in case, because this could definitely come out of nowhere here. Don't do it. I don't know the ETF sector. Uh-oh. And I'm out. That's too bad. That looked really good. That's disappointing. Of course, I missed the two trades that would have worked out. And then I take the one that doesn't. Twilio still getting stuck at this 87. I think if it retreats back again, I'll have another chance to add into this, because it keeps seeing to move higher and higher each time. Or I might be getting something here. Well, not much of a retest. Well, guess I might make a new high day right now. Yeah, Etsy's gone. Alright, well, still no trades. Alright, I'm looking at Zillow again, this time for a chance to go long here. SPY just came right back up to view app. Pretty strong here, might help out, but I do want to see this thing keep retesting, because right now it's super slow. I want to see what can happen if we can get back to this 40-ish. It's still really, really slow. I'm just wondering when a good time to get in would be. Right now it's super low volume. I don't think that was enough yet. I think I still need to wait. I want to see the 20 come in too. Alright, touch and view app. Big buyer there. SPY tap view app and turned right back around. Dropped about 60 points or 60 cents here, going down toward the low of day. I don't know, nothing yet. I need to wait. SPY's really dropping right now, but this 35 is holding pretty strong here. He's not hidden, there's just not a lot of people selling into him. There he goes. Wow, this SPY's, what in the world? Well, we got above VWAP. I mean, we got plenty of room. 33 is about where the 5-minute night EMA is at. So there's really nothing in the way. That is if we can start holding here. SPY is definitely not helping the case. There's a lot of volume inside of 24.25. Well, that's a good sign, and that is not. Alright, I'm not getting huge on this, but I'm going to try and get in here. Might get in right now. Stop loss below this, little consolidation in here. 24, not full size to start. We'll add more as it works, if it works. SPY does look like it's bouncing here. Should help. We'll see what happens if it decides to dip again. I can look into add this the rest of this 250. Well, that ain't good. Come on. Oh well. So I didn't go full size. Saw a bounce, liked it, decided to hop in half size and add in the rest, but if it doesn't want to go, it doesn't want to go. I don't like it for a short anymore. Just kind of a weird spot for it. Now the SPY is really moving up. If it gets back above VWAP, I mean, there still might be a trade, so I haven't left yet. Well, now we got a little bit of a volume increase. If we get another dip, I think I need to get into this again, because it faked me out, came right back up above, and we got decent volume showing again. I need to see it hold right here. And I mean, it looks like we are. It's super slow. Full size, there we go. On a break above 50, like it just did. can look to add back into this again if it gives me a new stop loss point. But this 50's coming in fast, and I mean, as soon as this thing comes into play, this trade could be over. SPY just came all the way back and touched VWAP. Low volume on that candle though. If we get close to 32, I think I just need to get all out. Take some of my money back. But I'll keep holding. We'll see what happens on a retest again. SPY is, God, SPY is bouncing hard from VWAP again. It's the third test that it's come to VWAP and it has failed hard, just with an engulfing candle right after the retest. If we can bounce from here, that'll be really nice. It'll give me a new stop loss at any point. So I'll let this thing go until it makes a new low for now. Alright, SPY come back to VWAP again. SPY's pushing up through VWAP. And there it is, all out. Alright, well, I need to be done because 3 trades, 3 losses. Right. Yeah. I mean, this thing could be a good short now. I mean, it's just faking me out at each and every single direction. So, ultimately, I think it'd be a good short, you know, because it's obviously down, you know, half of or a quarter of its value. Pop through the open. Now we're kind of getting underneath this consolidation here. I could definitely keep going, but I don't know. I'm just still pissed that I missed this one and Etsy. I mean, super nice right here, even again, really. And Etsy kind of came down, and then once the 20 kind of caught up with it, you know, it was pretty good ultimately right here. But I don't know. I'll have to rewatch the tape and figure out why I missed it. It's just, yeah, I would have covered here at this point because this thing either had to break right here and move to touch the 50. Because this 50 is definitely going to come into play and probably help push it down, so I don't know. It's just, you know, I walk away with these small win days, and then, you know, the days where I really got to be here to make the money and take the trades, I just can't seem to take the trades. I don't know. Just have to come back tomorrow. Thanks for watching.